Do you have an error with the Sample Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get Localized Sample demo manifest working again. To begin the walkthrough for Sample Library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the Sample Library, associated with several legacy audio production suites and older game engines, like early ID Tech versions. It manages the high-speed loading of WAV or OGG samples into memory for real-time playback. If this file is missing, the software will be unable to play background sound effects or instrument samples, often reporting an audio buffer underrun or failed to load Sample Library. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. Since Sample Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Sample/Demo Manifest toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Sample Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type loctr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. If you're attempting to install Sample Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If registry clutter or sample library inconsistencies are suspected, the maintenance tool below offers general documentation. To support our technical team and receive updates on sample library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.